Okay, here we are, February 2nd, 2011. It is 8:30 in the morning after our big blizzard here in Springfield, Illinois. And I just took my dog out, and since he's such a small dog and there's more snow than there is him, he refuses to go to the bathroom. Therefore, I can't blame him because he would pee on himself, I believe. Well, let's see. Look, I got my handy dandy ruler here. Let's see how much snow actually is in my yard. There's my car. Oh, look at my car. Yeah, I don't think there's any getting my car out to the grocery store today or any place else. But let's see what we got here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, it's almost a foot. Yeah, Dipstick says 10 inches. Nice. There's my neighbors over here. Nice. Jealous. They have a snow blower. Of course, they get to use once a year, maybe twice a year. Maybe I can pay them 20 bucks. Okay, maybe 40. Okay, maybe 60. Come over here and do mine so I can go, but gives me an excuse to stay home. Alright, well, let's go see what the porch looks like in the streets. You can hear the beeping in the background of all the emergency crews and vehicles trying to dig everybody out in the streets. So at least it's sunny, but blizzard still on the warning till noon today, because this is all just completely just powder, as you can see, and it's blowing everywhere and it's freezing. The wind chill is about 6 below, so I'm going back inside. See ya. Well, look at that, there's snow up on my patio door. Let's see if we can get out. Oh. I don't think I can get out. Alright, I made it outside. Literally, I have, 4 feet of snow on my balcony. We'll just stick the tripod right down in the snow. See what we got here. There's our beautiful sunny street. Look how pretty that is. Real pretty off the balcony. Still 17 degrees outside. Freezing cold. Pan right around. And right over there. Oh, there's Mr. Jones. Remember Mr. Jones yesterday was out there during the blizzard with his snow shovel trying to get the snow off his driveway. That's as far as he got. Probably about a pile of 6 feet of snow there. He went back inside. Forget about it. Yeah, the wind chill is about -6, so it's freezing. Freezing cold. You can see my neighbor's over there. His pickup truck is full of snow. Brr. I don't know if you can see that or not, but my neighbor has like 6 feet of snow piled on top of his roof there. The blizzard blew it up there. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going back inside. The wind chill out here is freezing, and it's supposed to get really, really cold tomorrow night to -20. Yay! Thank you for watching. See ya!